Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid and I have a sty. I have a sty in my eye, in my little eye. I have had like 3 in my whole life and so they're no fun. But anyways, that's why my one eye is all, you might be able to tell, is all red. But anyways, we are at Rite Aid. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 28th through the 3rd of February. And I wanted to go earlier in the week. The plan was to go Tuesday. I didn't have any threshold coupons. None. I had 0 threshold coupons. So when you get a coupon that is a Catalina coupon that prints out at the register, not on the bottom of your receipt, you can use those until the end of the month. You can use them, well past the expiration date. But it has to be used by the end of that month. And then the new month starts and then they start printing more again. And then they kind of fizzle out throughout the month. But I didn't have any coupons. So I thought I will just go and I'll try to get a coupon. I'll get something that I want to pick up anyways. And then if I get a coupon, great. If I don't, then I'll have to wait. So we're going to go in there and we're going to pick up something and we're going to see if it will give us a Catalina coupon or any type of a coupon that we can use to help lower our out of pocket. Because what I want to do today, I have to spend a good high amount, and any amount that can come down even lower is amazing. If not, well, we will just have to wait until we get a booster. So we are going to be doing a P&G promotion here, and that's all I'm going to be doing. And then we're going to be pairing those with those Procter & Gamble grocery reward rebates. So I've had some good luck with it, and we're going to try 2 different ones today and see how it goes. See how it goes. And even if they deny, you can always, email them back and show them and ask them and all that jazz. Because usually once you email them and they're like, no, usually with an email and a little bit of an explanation, it works. So we'll see how it goes. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Sarah, and I'd like to show you how to save money couponing at drugstores and places like Walmart, possibly Target soon. We'll see how that goes. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. All right, so I grabbed some Valentine's Day candy, and this printed on my receipt, 14 off of 69, and then I also got a 14 off of 71. I'm going to save that Catalina coupon. I'm going to rip this off of my receipt. I've actually never used these before, so I hope all goes well. So we're going to start off with our first P&G transaction. We're going to max it out on this account because it's spend $45, get back $15 in bonus cash, and you can do the deal twice. Just make sure you're grabbing items that are tagged because not everything is included. So here is the tag. I'm going to grab some Downy priced at $12.99. I am grabbing 2 of these, and that's going to equal out to $25.98. Now I'm grabbing these because I have a bonus cash challenge that I'll get $9.50 back, which will be rounded up to $10 when I spend $38, and I already have $12.99 towards this tracking, so I need $25.01 to finish my Downy bonus cash challenge, and I will get an additional $10 in bonus cash back. Next, I'm going to grab some Tide. They are included. They're on sale for $12.99. I'm going to grab a Tide liquid and then a package of Tide pods. I only need to grab 2 of these because I do have a Tide bonus cash challenge where if you spend $62, you get back $15.50 back, which will be rounded up to $16, and I already have $38.97 tracking towards that Tide bonus. So by getting these 2, I'll get back an additional $16 in bonus cash, and that is really good. So then I'm going to grab some Charmin. The Charmin is on sale for $8.99. I also have a bonus cash challenge for this. If I spend $56, I'll get back $11.20. I'm going to round it down to $11. I'm not sure if I'll get $11 or $12 back from the bonus cash challenge, but I have $17.98 for the Charmin already tracking. So I still need to spend $38.02 in Charmin products to get that bonus cash challenge. And I'm going to get 5 of these, and that's going to equal out to $44.96. So I have completed the spend 45, get back 15 2 times. So everything in my cart equals out to $96.91. I am going to use this coupon that I got on my receipt. It's $14 off of $69. So I also have some digital coupons that I will be using as well. I have a 50-cent digital coupon for the Charmin, and that's all I have for Charmin. And then I have a $3 digital for the Tide Pods, a $3 digital for the Tide Liquid, and a $3 digital for one of my Downy scent beads. That'll make my total $73.41. I do have some bonus cash challenge to pay for most of this, not all of it, but I do have some bonus cash to use towards it. I'll get back $30 in bonus cash, and that's because I'm doing the P&G promotion twice. I'll get back in bonus cash challenges, I'll get back 16 for the Tide, 10 for the Downy, and 11 for the Charmin. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to the pggroceryrewards.com website for doing the Clean Vibes Only promotion. If you spend $60 after coupons, you'll get back a $20 MasterCard, and I will have that linked down below. I have talked about this in my previous Rite Aid video in detail, so I'm not going to go into that today because this video is going to be a good size length of a video. That's going to make all of this stuff free and a $13.59 moneymaker, which is insane. And I also forgot to mention that the reason why I'm doing these deals this week is because my bonus cash expires in just a couple of days. Okay, so I am in between stores, but I wanted to show you this. I got 2 coupons at the end of my receipt in my first transaction. I'm going to use this one because these don't go past the expiration date. I probably won't use this one, but I will still keep it just in case. And the other ones that print like Catalina's at the register, I'm saving for when we have the booster next week. So like I said just a few minutes ago, my bonus cash is expiring on both accounts in just 2 days, which I didn't think it was expiring so soon, so I'm glad I came in this week. So I'm going to be using that bonus cash on this account as well, and I'm going to do the P&G promotion one time. The Olay is buy one, get one 50% off included in the spend 45, get 15. I'm going to grab 3 of these body washes priced at $8.49. 2 will ring up at $8.49. The other one will ring up for $4.24. Then we're going to grab some Crest mouthwash, the Scope mouthwash. It's priced at $5.49. Also buy one, get one 50% off. So one is $5.49. The other one is $2.74. I'm also going to grab some toothpaste priced at $5.69 a piece. Also buy one, get one 50% off. So one is $5.69, the other one is a $2.84. And then I'm going to grab some toothbrushes. The Oral-B multi-pack here is included, and it's $6.99. So one is $6.99 and the other one is $3.49. So the total for everything in the cart equals out to $48.46. I am using an 8 off of 38 coupon that I just showed you, but of course I left it out in the car, so I can't show you now, but you will see it on my receipt out in the car after we're done shopping. So, since I am using $12 in digital coupons, I need to be at $12 over the $38 mark. So, my total is $48.46. I need to grab a filler item so that I'm right at $50. So I grabbed a couple of the Russell Stouffer candies, and my total is now $50.44. I have a 5 off 3 digital for the Olay. I have a 2 off 2 digital for the toothbrushes, a 2 off 2 digital for the toothpaste, and a 3 off 2 digital for the mouthwash. That will bring my total to $30.44. I'll get back $15 in bonus cash. But then I am going to submit my receipt to the pggroceryrewards.com website for this rebate right here. It is called the Fresh Routine, where you spend over $30 or more after coupons, you'll get back a $10 MasterCard. And I have spent $30 after all of my coupons. So here's a screenshot of most of the brands that are included in the Fresh Routine promotion. I couldn't get them all
there's more than what will fit on my phone, but I will be submitting my receipt for that as well and should get back a $10 Visa card. The rebate is good until 3/31, and it is just one per person, but I am going to be submitting this promotion, or for this promo, I will be submitting it under a different email just to play it safe, you know what I mean? So I should get back another $10 MasterCard there, making this transaction just $5.44, which I think is really good. I'm really, really happy with that. And then we've got a moneymaker to help cover that cost. So that is everything. We're going to go check out, and let's go out to the car and take a look at the receipts and see how everything went. And I will also keep you updated on the status of my gift cards that I get back.
All right, so we are back in from Rite Aid, and I did show you that I got some coupons, so that was always good. I figured I would, with it being the beginning of the month, but you know, it's never guaranteed. It's just always much more likely. So with my first transaction, I showed you that I got a 14 off of 71, which this is this here, and then I got one at the bottom of my receipt. So with my first transaction, I got the, let's see here if it'll cooperate, because of course they always, you know, they get folded and stuff. So with this first transaction, this one was the one where I did the Procter & Gamble deal twice. So, you know, I got all of that Charmin, 2 Downy, and 2 Tides. So I'm going to show you the best that I can. Like Walgreens and CVS, it's easier to show the coupons. So I'm going to show you the best that I can. So we have a 50-cent digital here. Here's the $14 coupon that printed at the bottom of my receipt. We have a $3 digital here. That one is for the Downy. We have a $3 digital here for the Tide Liquid and a $3 digital here for the Tide Pods. And my total was $73.41, which of course I used bonus cash to lower my out-of-pocket. I did have a little bit bigger out-of-pocket than I typically would, but I'm actually getting, you know, like $30 in cash back. And I've seen a lot of people get their cards back pretty quickly. So I'm totally fine with that. So the total was $73.41. I got back $30 in bonus cash. I'll get back a $20 MasterCard for spending $60 after coupons, which I did even with that $14 off. I'll get back $16 from the Tide Bonus Cash Challenge. I'll get back $10 from my Downy Bonus Cash Challenge. And I'll get back $11 from my Charmin Bonus Cash Challenge. So all of those stacking up are wonderful. Now, I guess I could have waited and done this next week. I could have. But I've got coupons, we've got boosters, and we can do more of the MasterCard deal. So next week is going to be even better. And then I got back 969 points because of my total was, you know, like $97. So that converts to $1.94 back that I can convert into bonus cash. So that's going to make my total for that transaction, making everything free, and a $15.53 moneymaker. That's insane. Yes, I had to put out some money, but I'm actually getting $20 in cash back. So that's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And I know there are Rite Aid stores closing left and right. And if my stores end up being on the chopping block, it was an amazing run while it lasted. But I am not going to give up hope that every one of them are going to close. I don't think it's going to be that way. I really don't. I think a lot are closing, yes, but I don't think they're going to close every single one of them. I just don't. But if they do, it was an amazing place to coupon while it lasted. So then with that transaction, I got back an 8 off of 40. And then I got the 2 coupons on my receipt. Here's the 10 off of 50. And then I had an 8 off of 38. So that one transaction gave me 3 coupons, which is insane. So then I went to a different store and I thought, you know what? I'm going to get some personal care items because there is that other MasterCard rebate, here are all of the brands that is included in that, which is Crest, Oral-B, and Olay. So I'm definitely going for it. So for this second transaction, I got 3 bottles of Olay body wash. I got 2 Crest mouthwash, 2 packs of Oral-B toothbrushes, and 2 Crest toothpaste. And then I threw in 2 of the Russell Stover's little candies for 99 cents a piece because I needed to spend $50 to use all of my coupons. So I had $12 in digital coupons that I was using, and I had an 8 off of 38 coupon. So 12 plus 38 is 50. So I got a little over $50 in products, but my $2 digital for one of them didn't come off. So I got the, well, let's just look together. I have the 5 off of 3 for the Olay. I have the $3 off for the, okay, so my 3 off 2 attached to the Oral-B. And then here is my $8 off 38. And there is my $2 off of the Crest. And then the $2 coupon didn't come off for the Crest mouthwash. So I'm going to talk to customer service about that because they all should have come off together. They should have all come off. So it wasn't because of the $50 mark, because I was above the $50 mark, and it had to have been just the order that the items were scanned in. So that's something to think about if you're going to be doing a transaction like this. So my total was $30.44. I had to turn the defrost up because I'm talking in here. So my total was $30.44. I got back $15 in bonus cash for spending $45. I'll get back $10 in a MasterCard for the other MasterCard deal on the PG grocery rewards. And then I got back 504 points on that transaction, which equals out to $1.01. So that transaction there was just $4.43, which isn't bad, considering I got mouthwash and body wash in there. And with having a $15.43 moneymaker, it covers the cost of that. So my total for everything that I got today, and that includes 5 packs of toilet paper, 2 things of beads, 2 things of Tide, 2 things of Crest, 2 things of Oral-B, 2 things of mouthwash, and 3 things of body wash, all for free, and $11.10 moneymaker. That's crazy. That's insane. And it was really easy to do. I didn't have any paper coupons. I used all digital coupons. P&G is not putting printable coupons on their sites anymore. They're doing like these where you can use it one time and you have to use it like a gift card when you pay. And I've seen a lot of issues with them. I don't want to mess with them. Just let me use a coupon. And then with that transaction, I also got an 8 off of 40. So I've got 3 coupons here that I can use next week. Hopefully some more will print out. And that's everything. I got a wonderful, wonderful haul today, and I couldn't be happier. So that is everything I have for you today. Let me know your thoughts on Rite Aid closing. Like if it's gonna, not your thoughts on like Rite Aid closing. Or again. So let me know your thoughts on, do you think all of the Rite Aids are gonna close? Or do you think they're just gonna close a lot of them? I really would love for them to not close completely, because obviously Rite Aid is my favorite store to coupon at. I just wish there were more. You know, I wish everybody could coupon there. We would clean them out, guys. But anyways, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid, and we're here to do the deals for, I don't know the date. I think it's the 28th through the 3rd of February. My hair, my goodness, my hair is, let's try this again. Okay, this right here, let's just